Is cash flow really important? Industrial expert Anush Kappil will explain about it.
In a nutshell, if I'll tell you what is investing is. So in our life, even when somebody is running a shop, somebody is doing a distribution business, somebody is doing a job, and somebody is doing a good business or a large business. Cash flow is one of the important key. So whenever I'll give you the example with the simple life process. What is that example? In our life, we have seen that our parents or somebody elder to me, also somebody have ever approached to have a relationship of their sons and daughter to be getting married. Over a period, that is the process of marriage contains some of the filtration process. When you go to the somebody place and you go there, you check what is their family background. So that is called a corporate governance. What his father is doing, what his uncle is doing, how his mother doing, how his brother and sister is doing. All the things you convert and take a perception that corporate governance is good. Their family background is good. Their allocation of capital is good. That is how he is being placed at the certain level of financial strength. How much wealth they have created, how much property they have created, how they are securing their family, how many cars they have, all the things they have, what kind of a society they are living in. So these are the pointers of corporate governance. Now coming back to the person you are going to select for your son or daughter. So when you're going to have a discussion in what is their education, the most important is what is their cash flow, what is their earning. So when you see, okay, yeah, he's earning so much, he's doing so much, and he's having that kind of education background. He's a IT and IM, he's an engineer, he's a doctor, he's everything. So you understand their cash flows. So according to that, we understand the cash flows. Any company which are into the ethical fund, we understand their cash flows. So the cash flow is very important for generating the good return on equity. So there are some of the pointers which I have shared on my slide. There is cash flow to debt ratio, operating cash flow to margin ratio, price to cash flow ratio. So these are the things which indicates you that how strong is the company. But look at the advantage of operating cash flow margin ratio, which compares the company operating cash flow to its net revenue over a specific period of time. So operating cash flow is one of the major key. OCF, we can. So there are two things, OCF and FCF, free cash flow and operating cash flow. So these are one of the main parameters which has been derived in investing. And we simply put in our model and we look out that how the company is doing an OCF and how he is generating the FCF. So these are the key ratio analysis we do on the basis. We are not doing like debt to equity and all the things we do, but majorly this is the cash flows ratios which I follow personally on my life also and our fund also.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.